this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Cooper's Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2009 Mitsubishi Triton dual cab GLX, stock reference number 3862. This shape runs from the 7th month 2006 through to the 8th month 2009. It has a 4G64 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 5-speed manual rear-wheel drive transmission. 4G64 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has suffered hail damage. We have the right hand headlight, which does have sun cracks, radiator grille, tidy front bar cover, left hand headlight also with sun cracks. This vehicle is fitted with factory 17-inch alloy mags. The left front has a good Pirelli tyre, left power door mirror, left side skirt step supplied with all bolts and brackets, left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good Pirelli tyre, left tail light, right hand tail light, right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good Pirelli tyre, right rear door has a couple of small dents, right side step supplied with all bolts and brackets, sold as a pair, right power door mirror, and a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good Pirelli tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black and grey cloth interior. It's got a black cloth centre console lid, manual type console, 5-speed manual gear shifter, 5-speed manual gear knob, factory heated controls, interior mirror, left sun visor, right sun visor, and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.